Hey everybody, it's Joe Baker, 401k guy, and today I wanted to talk about transactions on your plan and what you can use as far as trying to monitor them and see to make sure that everything's going in the right places and you're getting the right dividends, etc. So let's get started on that. So once you log in, go ahead and go to My Plans, and then once that screen pops up, you can just go on Transactions, and that's going to show you your summary for the last 30 days. It'll show your contributions going in, any dividends from the funds that you're invested in, and any other types of transactions that would be on there, like if you had a distribution or something like that. Right now it shows 30 days, but you can open up the filter and change it to the last 90 days, last quarter, all that, or a custom range. So if you go back 3 months, then you can see all the transactions. And again, just to make sure, especially if you're doing rebalancing and other things like that, you want to make sure that everything's working as you expect. But anyway, that's a quick, easy way to check on your investments and see what's going on inside them and where the money's going and what kind of dividends you're getting, etc. So if you have any questions on that, please shoot me an email. Otherwise, we'll talk to you next month. Take care.